Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to make Notepad to add date and time automatically in Windows. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open the Notepad application that comes preloaded with every Windows operating system. So you can see its user interface, right? So by default a Notepad cannot add date and time automatically even if you type any words. So how to make a Notepad to add date and time automatically? So for this you can do one tricks. So just type dot, capital L, capital O and capital G. Just type this word at the beginning. Now just click on this file and just click on save. Give it any name as you like. So I'll just put it test, and after that click on save. Now you can close this. Now we have created a Notepad file, right? That is a text file. So just let us try to open it again. Voila, now you can see the Notepad has automatically added the time as well as the date. So now if you type a word, say I'll just type some sentence, and once again I'll go to file and I'll just click on save, and I'll just try to close it, and let us try to reopen it again. Voila, now again it has been adding a time as well as a date. So let us save it and let us wait for a few more minutes so that the time changes here. Now let us reopen it. Voila, now you can see we have a different time. It depends on the time with the clock time. Right now at present what time you have opened this Notepad application, and you can see the date. So if you save it and try to open this Not applications on the respective date, and it will auto add the respective time and the respective date automatically every time you open this text file. So this is a cool tricks by which you can make a Notepad to add date and time automatically in Windows very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then definitely you should try it out. And if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.